Guys, my name is Ash and welcome back to a new video from Starsh. So today I'm going to be making the Thinker. The Thinker is one of the most popular statues known worldwide. So I'll be making this Thinker statue for you guys today. It's a miniature version of it with foil. So yeah, let's get started. But before I do so, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Make sure to hit the like button and yeah, let's go and let's start. Thinker, right now we'll take a foil piece and make the legs first and leave space for the body and the head. Chest actually. First we'll make a thin outline of the dude, the Thinker. Sorry. Now let's make the hands. And then, if you find this part really thick, you have to tear some off, because if the head is too thick, it looks super duper ugly. It's like one major problem I've had while in this thing. This profession is pretty really uncomfortable, especially be too hard to mold. So just leave some space like that. Yep, that's perfect for neck and the head. Just shrivel this up like that. That should be like that, exactly like that shape. Now let's like that. We don't really need to mold the hands very detailedly, because the hands are just like shriveled up and to be like in this thinking position, so we don't need to mold the hands really well. Sorry about that. Now let's mold the second hand. Tear that off, we don't need that. Like the pieces we tore off, we can use that for like overlapping and detail and stuff like that. So we made the first stage, which is the outline. It looks kind of bad now, but as we mold it up, it looked pretty good. So now let's move to the second stage, which is called overlapping. So I'm taking a rectangular piece like that. So I'm going to take this part and use it for the body, and just overlap two pieces like that. Throw it away, we don't need that now. And then spread his arms like that and cover his whole body with that. And especially focus on his chest, because we want him to look muscular, especially as he has to bend like that. He has to bend, so we make him look really muscular. So we have the chest done, torso. Now let's move with the hands. To make the first hand, we're going to take a piece like this, fold that into two, then cover. You're making a relatively small figure, so you don't need as much foil into this one, and also not as much detail, but you can do it if you want to, but it doesn't matter because of the size. And yeah, So with the first hand, now let's move on with the second hand. We're going to fold this like that, and then cover it. This hand doesn't need as much overlapping, but still we need to do it because it will be irregular if we didn't do both of it together. And then shrivel it up. And now we have our two hands done. Now let's move on with the legs. So to make the legs, I'll take a piece like this, do a piece like that, fold that into half, like we do, and then we fold this piece like that, and then we cover it up like that. Then we do that again and again, and straighten the feet up. We straighten up the feet. Also this one. And yep, we're done with the body. So now we're making the head. So we have a piece like this. We'll cut this in half. Then covering this up like that. Let's make a connection, and then making this a head, so perfect shape of head. The head is something that's pretty hard to make in foil because the shape sometimes messes up, so it's pretty annoying. And then we have a second piece where we're going to slowly cover this. And then we're going to make the neck better as well. Take a piece and cover like that. Then just shape this better. Now we'll be making the thing where the thinker sits on. So we'll fold the thing like that to make the rock that he sits on. Pretty sure it's a rock. Just make a rough outline of what he's sitting on. That's a rough outline. Exactly what it's going to be, but just like, just check if it's perfect, good enough. Reach 500 subscribers. So I really hope we do reach 500 subscribers. So we're really happy with that. So I made a rough outline. So what I'm going to take the thinker and fold it into the way he's sitting in. Then I'm just sitting there. So I think it should be much more bigger. Just throw the guy over and it takes. Yep, it's now definitely bigger. Let's put a thinker over there. Then some more things you need to do as I compare it to the actual figure, and then the small bent like that. Then the feet are also different. Like that. Yeah. So if I keep the figure like that, it looks pretty good. Now that we are done with these two, there's only one more step remaining, that is to glue it all in. So guys, now I've stick the figure in place. It looks really good now. I couldn't show the part where I stick this because my phone's battery drained out, so I'm doing this on my other phone. You can place a stand made of cardboard like this so you can properly stand, but otherwise it stands like that. So that's how you make this. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and press the bell button to know for many more new uploads. And as always, bye bye, peace.